Rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Ejaz, Chemistry Department, University of Narwal. Today we will start remaining methods for the preparation of alkane. Fourth method is preparation of alkanes from carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds are given the names as aldehydes and ketones. The identification of carbonyl compound is the presence of carbonyl group in an organic compound in which carbon atom is making double bond with oxygen atom. If there is attached a hydrogen atom on one side of carbon of carbonyl group, it is aldehyde. And if there are present alkyl groups on both sides of carbonyl carbon, it is ketone. So these are two families of carbonyl compounds: aldehydes with general formula RC double bond OH, and ketone with general formula RC double bond OR. R stands for alkyl group. It may be methyl or ethyl or any other alkyl group. If we want to change a carbonyl molecule into alkane molecule, we have to remove oxygen attached on carbon atom, and two hydrogen atoms have to be attached with carbon of carbonyl group. Removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen is a process which is called reduction. This is reduction process. So by reducing carbonyl compound, we get an alkane. So generally the reaction of reduction of a carbonyl compound can be written as: when oxygen is replaced by hydrogen atoms, one oxygen is removed making double bond with carbon atom, and two hydrogen atoms are attached with the same carbon. So in this way, carbonyl group is changed to CH2 group. CH2 group is called methylene group. So this reduction of carbonyl compounds can be done by two methods. First method is Clemmensen reduction. Clemmensen reduction, special method for the reduction of carbonyl compounds. In this method, the hydrogen atoms, nascent hydrogen, atomic hydrogen required for reduction is produced by using a zinc amalgam, which is mixture of zinc and mercury. This is called zinc amalgam, mixture of zinc and mercury. This mixture of zinc and mercury is reacted with HCl, due to which atomic hydrogen are produced. Reaction is not necessary to be represented here. We use only atomic hydrogens for the reduction of a carbonyl compound. These atomic hydrogens are produced when zinc amalgam is treated with HCl. 2 hydrogen out of 4 takes oxygen and are changed into water, and remaining 2 hydrogens complete the valency of carbon of carbonyl compound. In this way, carbonyl group is changed to CH2 group, methylene group, and aldehyde or ketone has been changed into an alkane with same number of carbon atoms as present in a starting carbonyl compound. For example, if we use a ketone with 3 carbon atoms, which is acetone or propanone, this is IUPAC name of this ketone. Acetone is common name and propanone is its IUPAC name. These 4 hydrogen atoms, atomic hydrogen, which is written within square bracket, hydrogen atom within square bracket represents hydrogen in an atomic form. 2 hydrogen atoms combine with the carbon of carbonyl compound, and 2 hydrogen atoms combine with the oxygen and goes to water. In this way, propanone has been changed into propanone. So this method of reducing an aldehyde or ketone using a zinc amalgam in the presence of HCl is called Clemmensen reduction. Second method of reduction is Wolff-Kishner's reduction. Wolff-Kishner's reduction. In this method, we use source of atomic hydrogen as hydrazine N2H4 in the presence of potassium hydroxide, KOH. Temperature of 200 degrees centigrade is maintained. 2 hydrogen atoms takes oxygen and goes to water, and remaining 2 hydrogens combine with carbon of carbonyl group and change to CH2 group or CH3 group if starting compound is a aldehyde. Then carbonyl group is changed to CH3 group, which is called methyl group. In case of ketone, carbonyl group is changed to methylene group, and in case of aldehyde, carbonyl group is changed to methyl group, CH3. For example, this aldehyde with 2 carbon atoms having 1 hydrogen atom on right side of carbonyl carbon is acetaldehyde. Aldehyde with 2 carbon atoms, acetaldehyde. On reduction, acetaldehyde is changed to ethane, same number of carbon atoms as present in a starting molecule, parent molecule of carbonyl compound. So fifth method for the production of alkanes is from Grignard reagent. This is a special family of organic compounds which is derivative of alkyl halide, Grignard reagent. RX is treated with magnesium in the presence of ether. Ethereal medium is used to conduct a reaction between alkyl halide and magnesium. When alkyl halide reacts with magnesium, the product is RMgX. Mg takes position in between R and X, and this becomes alkyl magnesium halide, which is given the special name on the name of scientist, Grignard reagent, RMgX. When RMgX, Grignard reagent, is hydrolyzed, reaction with water, in which water is decomposed, its hydrogen goes to one product and OH goes to the other product. RMgX is a polar molecule in which magnesium is with partial positive charge and carbon of alkyl group is with partial negative charge. Water is also a polar molecule. Hydrogen is partial positively charged and OH is partial negatively charged. Partial positive part of water combines with the partial negative part of Grignard reagent, that is R. R and H combine together to form RH, which is alkane, and OH goes with the magnesium. For example, if R is CH3 and X is Br, this is magnesium, methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl group is changed to methane on hydrolysis. Reaction is carried out in ethereal medium in the presence of an acid. H plus shows that there is present an acid while conducting this reaction. If R is ethyl group, we get ethane on hydrolysis. Ethyl magnesium bromide provides ethane. So these are 5 methods for the preparation of alkane which have been completed. Now physical properties of alkanes. First property is about physical state of the alkanes. First 4 alkanes from CH4 to C4H10, they are colorless, odorless gases. And alkanes from 5 to 17, they are also colorless, odorless, but they are in liquid state. They have no color, they have no smell. C18 to onward, alkanes are colorless, odorless, waxy solids. Second physical property is polarity and solubility. Alkanes are non-polar molecules which are insoluble in polar solvents like water, but they are easily soluble in non-polar solvents like benzene, ether and carbon tetrachloride. Third property is boiling points. Their boiling point increase with increase in number of carbon atoms. With the addition of one CH2 group, there is a 20 to 30 degree centigrade increase in boiling point. Normal isomer of an alkane has high boiling point than its branched isomer, because in branched isomers molecules have a greater distance due to branches and they can easily be volatilized and boil at even low temperature. For example, N-butane has boiling point minus 0.5 degree centigrade and its branched isomer, which is isobutane, boils at minus 11.7 degree centigrade, which is far less than the boiling point of N-butane. Melting point also increases by increase in number of carbon atoms, but there is no regular increase in case of melting point. So these are 4 physical properties of alkane. Remaining lecture will be continued in next lecture. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.